With LPOne's quality module, you can manage and register quality inspections of all kinds of materials, components, and products. You start this process by filling in some necessary master data under databases in the quality module in LPOne's sidebar menu in SAP Business One. First, click on Tests. Here you need to define which kinds of tests you would like to do. These tests can either be descriptive, a list with yes or no, or numeric. You can also put some general information here, like for example the name of the test and notes if necessary. The second step is to put together and structure the chosen tests, and if needed, assign tools to each test. You do this by clicking on Structure Control Specifications under Databases in LPOne's Quality module. Here you can see a bundle of different tests. If you click on the tool code, an overview of the tool's master data appears. These tools are used to perform the quality inspections, and in this example, for this specific test, the tool that will be used is a caliper. The third step is to assign the structure of tests to something that should be inspected and define the values to be detected. To do this, go to Combination Control Specifications under Databases in LPOne's Quality module. In this example, we will inspect a specific raw material. Here you need to define two things. First, the employee who will perform the tests, and second, the standards of the values to be detected. For instance, with the numeric tests in this example, we can see that the length of the raw material should be equal or higher than 10, and that the diameter should range between 1 and 2. Now all the necessary master data has been filled in, and you are ready to do the actual quality inspection. To start this, go to Inspection under Documents in LPOne's Quality module. Here you fill in the detected values you find during the quality inspection. If these values comply with the standards of the values we previously defined, the box under Detected Value will be green. If not, it will be red, which we can see in the case of the diameter. The system automatically summarizes the inspection under Result, with the marks Accepted, Rejected, or Accepted with Reserve. Subsequently, this result can then be forwarded to the production unit or supplier responsible of the things that have been inspected. LPOne's Quality module will help you to identify the quality of the outcome from your production units or suppliers. Considering lean production, this will help you to identify value and pursue perfection, and consequently improve the quality of your products. Thanks to LPOne.